So this is the ESSL metal remote control device. Through this we can open our access control door through remote. So from this you don't need to go to your door to open for visitors. From your seat you can open the door through the remote. So now the device is installed with the existing X990 device. I am going to open the door through the remote. You can see the lock parallelly. So the lock is get turned off. And it's locked again. You can open it from inside and outside. So wherever you are sitting in nearby the reception, you can operate from your seat.